Alright, what's up guys? It's been a minute. Yeah, so I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit before I start the car because the cold start will probably distort the mic and you guys won't be able to hear me, but Maka's finally back. We had a little issue. The ethanol sensor took a complete dump on the car, so it wasn't reading any ethanol at all. And then that was basically it. Left the car at Adams, let him do his thing. He had other projects to do, so told him take his time, whatever, no rush. Got the car back. It's running well, knock on wood. I'm gonna put a couple more 100 miles on it before I get tuned. Before you guys ask, my date to get tuned is September 6th with Travis. But let's talk about some of the things that I've done that are differently. If you guys are new to the channel, it's been a while, so you may have forgotten. But we went with the GTX 3071R turbo that I bought from Rodell. We also went with the Cobb front mount intercooler, and because I had that oiling issue on track, we definitely had to redo my oil setup. So we went with the Killer Bee oil pan, the Tomei baffles, Killer Bee oil control valve, and I believe that's it. I'll have to look at my list. It's been a while for me too. As you guys can see, I have no passenger seat, and I have the Sparco Ergo. I had to buy the Sparco like Pro rails, whatever they call them, because the rails I had, the Sparco rails, only have 4 holes, and it made me sit basically straight up, so it was very, very uncomfortable to say. I also got the Sparco R345 wheel, 345 wheel with the NRG short hub and adapter, so we have that. And I think that's about it. I got rid of some of my interior things. I just picked up another Havoc Control HVAC little trim. I have this that I'm gonna kind of mock into something kind of like Mikiest on Instagram. I don't know, I kind of like this look, so try to figure out how this will come into play. I have a passenger seat in the works, and I think that's basically it. And oh, I have a front splitter made by Daniel Contender 8, and yeah, it's been quite a while since I've made a video. I know a lot of you guys have been asking. Once the car is tuned and everything, expect some great things. I plan to meet up with Mikiest on Instagram, do a photo shoot, video shoot with him. Plan to meet up with R-Ty. If you follow him, he's got like one of the baddest hatches in the bay. Photo shoot with that Flared FXT, Steven, you guys may know him, and whoever else wants to shoot, but definitely have some plans for this car. I will be attending BAM, Bay Area Subaru Meet, which is at the San Jose Giants Stadium, which is on the infield, which is super cool. So if you guys are there, come check out the car. It will be at AA Motorworks car booth. And as far as I know, that's all I have planned, is just make up some time that I've lost with this car, losing out on meets, stuff like that. I will be hosting a cruise. I don't know how big I'll make the cruise yet. I know some of you guys that are from the Bay that follow me want to go on a cruise with me. I'll see how it is, because I haven't done one of these in a while, so I may keep it low-key small. But if you guys do want to ride, this is your open offer. Once I get tuned, hit me up. I mean, I'm serious about it. Hit me up if you want to ride. And I got time. We'll plan something out. I'm always down to give you guys rides. But enough blabbering. Let me get ready. It's 7:23. We're gonna let the car warm up and head off to work. So first up, buckle up for safety. It's gonna get a little loud. Workers have been asking, because they've seen my car when it used to be here. Some of them have asking where's my car at, and then they see the '66 Mustang that I've been driving.